Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that cold start right there. Yeah, as you can see, this truck is pretty loud, but pretty much if you clicked on this video, you can tell that that pretty much like I'm going to fix this truck. I'm just gonna show you guys in a minute here real quick like what's wrong with it. Pretty much like the insurance company, or mostly like the shop, didn't want to fix it for like a reasonable price. So pretty much now I'm over here, I got the check back, and because I don't exactly know, like this is my first time having to deal with this crap because I didn't crash. I pretty much crashed because somebody like didn't look to see that like a traffic light wasn't working. So pretty much it was a 4-way stop sign. To finish off the story, pretty much I went and like 2 other cars next to me went, but they were still looking to the left, and they saw that the truck was coming, so they stopped, but I didn't. Like I just looked forward like I'm looking at you guys right now, and I pretty much, you know, just hit the gas and I crashed. But again, it was his fault because the traffic lights weren't working. He was supposed to stop behind the car that he was going, and he just followed them. Like he didn't actually stop. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's the damage, so you can kind of see like what I have to work with, which isn't like much. It's not even as far as like I can see for now, because I haven't taken apart the truck. There's no like crazy damage to the point where the shop's quote that the truck was towed to, which you can clearly see that the truck still turns on, but like I didn't have a battery and there's no front headlights, you'll see. But they're like saying like $12,000, and I was like, dude, like I get it, you guys want to make money, but like come on, like I need my truck, and you know damn well that there's like barely like 6 to like maybe 10 things that need to be replaced, and it's not that much. So we're gonna go ahead and see. I'm just gonna go ahead and edit this, put this back. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. But yeah, you can see obviously right there it says that the hood is open. There's obviously a check engine light, but that's because I have no cats. That's why this thing is also loud as hell. But yeah, you can see that this thing isn't even heating up, and if you guys know anything about motors, you know that they'll heat up pretty quickly. I got good voltage because I just replaced the battery. But yeah, this is gonna be probably the last time that it has the battery, because I'm gonna start taking it apart and I do not want to get electrocuted. So let's go ahead and see. So yeah guys, this is the damage right here. This is all crushed in. This whole entire fender needs to be, it could probably be saved honestly, but I think it's too far gone. So I already took off the hood, which is right there, and you can kind of see like right here that this is all crushed in from where the truck that I ended up hitting is I think it was a Ford F-250, but I think it was a dually, I don't really remember. But yeah, like this fucking hood is just crushed in. Like you can see like it looks like fucking Hulk just went like this to it. But yeah, like, and then over here it's just like all bent up like this. It's all curved up. And then this is the headlight that was mostly salvaged, but it can't be used because this is broken. And then the bottom part over here, which part is it? Oh yeah, I think it's this one that screws into over here, this side right here. So yeah, And then you can see that this one is also all bent because of the crash itself. I still need to see this radiator support, but I'm pretty sure it's also like really messed up. But as far as I know, this is good. That is obviously good. And then the main radiator in the back is good. This one is good. Kind of looks a little bent, but I think it's just because of the fact that this is bent. The bumper is all messed up. This, I have the cover in the back, but this extension right here is all messed up. The hooks, like I didn't even know this. The original price for these, like OEM, is like $80 a hook. But they're fine. Like all there is just bent. Like all I gotta do is just unscrew them, pull them back up, and they're good. Like this one over here. Like it's good, and they wanted to replace it. Like you can still use this. The frame is good underneath. I already looked. And as you can see, the engine is running. So let me go ahead and show you guys in the back. Yeah, so here I got another fender from 2500 HD, but it fits. And then here's the cover, and then here's all the lights and stuff, the harnesses I took off. But yeah, you guys can see as I take all this stuff off. Yeah, you guys can see how messed up this is. It's not good. But yeah, I mean it's probably still usable, but it's just like all scratched up and everything. It's a lot cheaper to just get another cover. So yeah, so I took most of this apart, but pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and make this like a whole video. The truck I might end up putting on this like as it is red, just so I can like drive it around, because I have another car. It's obviously this one. But if you guys know anything about like driving something that's older, it's a lot harder to get parts for it. This is much newer. It's a lot easier to get stuff. I mean, you can tell, like I got a replacement one. It's the same color as this, but it's just from a hybrid Silverado. So it literally has the emblem right here. It says hybrid, and then it's got like the lines and stuff because it's a 6.0. It's like more luxury or whatever. But yeah, so pretty much I gotta take both of these off, because this one you could probably get away with using, but since I don't want to like mess around with that, I'd rather just get new panels. Gotta take all of these bolts off. Gotta take this and this, and then like other bolts. I gotta take off this. I gotta take off this. The battery itself. Gotta take off the thing that holds the battery, and then the thing that holds this airbox. So yeah, it's a lot of stuff. But yeah, it's not that hard, and I mean, it's been running for a couple minutes, so you guys can see. I'll even like put it in drive so you guys know that I can actually like move this thing. But yeah, as you can see, the temperature is like not even at 210 yet, and this thing's just been idling here for minutes. So watch. You guys can see I can move it. Obviously says that the driver door and the hood aren't, that the driver door is open and the hood is also open. And then here's neutral, then drive, and it moves. Watch. guys saw that. I don't really want to move it because, but yeah, it works. Like, everything works. It's fine. Just the whole front is fucked up. And as you guys can see, like in the back, like pretty much like I got like LED lights and everything, so everything there is like good. These mirrors, like thankfully, because I just like bought these, so they're good. They're well, these aren't the original ones, but they're ones that you can like buy on Amazon or eBay. They have like the little indicator for the light, so you can see right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you can. Okay. Yeah. So, pretty much, as you guys can see, it is gonna be a process, but I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much like document it just to show you guys. Like, the shop is over here wanting like $12,000, and it doesn't cost that much. I literally haven't even spent $1,000 so far. Obviously, I still need to get some parts. I need to probably get the little like things that hold the grill to the top, that like literally those attach to the radiator support. So I probably need to get new, I guess, grill supports or whatever the hell they're called, but it just holds the grill from the top bolts. I need to get a new bumper, but the bumper isn't like necessarily like something that like I really need, because the truck can literally be driven without it, so it's not something that I need to like spend money immediately. Really, what I just care about is just putting these fucking fenders back on. I don't care if it's red and white, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna put the HD grill, because I like the HD grill more than the normal one that it has. I already ordered another emblem, and then what else do I need? Pretty much the lights. I got new lights as well. They're here actually in the back. So these are the new, it's all in that box. New LED lights, new headlight housings and all that. Like, I literally got all that. So pretty much like all I need to do is just start taking stuff apart, see what else is broken, replace it, and pretty much this truck is drivable. And like I said, like look at the temperature. It's barely nearing 210, and this thing has been idling like just normal. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to disconnect the battery, sadly, and pretty much get to taking it apart, and I'll go ahead and update you guys as we go with that. So see you in the next video.